What's up guys, welcome back to Development Division, and today we are putting some decals back onto the Jeep. I made a video like years ago removing all the decals on my Jeep, and to be honest, I kind of want them back. So I ordered a set in silver and a set in black. These are the two OEM color options they had. Mine came originally with black. I'm pretty sure all white Jeeps came with black decals. But I got these just in case because I kind of like how the silver looks. I couldn't find anything really on the internet on where to place these. So I have a, what is this? I have a book right here, Jeep Wrangler 2007 to present, performance upgrades. This is actually a pretty sick book. This teaches you pretty much literally how to make your Jeep badass. But they have a couple pictures here where I can kind of see where the placement is. See how it's placed up, and I can use that door hinge, that bottom door hinge, as a guide of kind of where to put it, so it's kind of in the area. I know it's not exactly going to be exactly where it's supposed to be, but at least if I can get really close, then I'll be happy with the result. So without further ado, let's get into decals. Alright guys, so I kind of mocked it up just a little bit. They're not exactly where they need to be. They're kind of a little crooked too. But I just wanted to see how the silver would look with how the Jeep is looking, and honestly, I think the black is the way to go. I think you guys are right. Black is definitely the one that's gonna look better, especially because like my decals are black and my little scheme here is black and white. So those are two of the main colors on my Jeep. So I think I want to put the black decals on.
15 minutes later.
So I pretty much completely messed up the first install. As you can see, this is a crumpled up decal sheet with some of the decals on it. I totally messed up the placement, and you pretty much only get one shot at this thing, and it's pretty damn hard to line these things up, especially if you don't have any reference. So I completely messed up the black. Now I don't have a full set, so I can't put the black ones on because then I'll just be missing a Wrangler Unlimited sticker on one side, and that's gonna look stupid. So I might as well just try to throw on these silver ones, kind of go for broke with these things. And there's a little part of me that thinks the silver is gonna look pretty hot, so I'm just gonna try it out just to kind of end my own curiosity. I have no clue what my method is on how to install these things, but I guess I'm gonna take another shot at it. Alright guys, so turns out the second time went surprisingly well considering how terrible the first time went. And this looks pretty lined up, looks pretty straight. This is definitely like a 10-foot car. Like definitely if you're standing 10 feet away, this car looks decent. But once you get closer, you see a lot of the imperfections, like all the things fucked up with it. But yeah, so we got the stickers on. You know, honestly, I kind of love the silver here. It's looking quite fresh. Doesn't look half bad. It's really kind of hard to tell the difference on camera. But yeah, this side went well. And this side over here didn't go as well. There's a little mess up right here on the R. It's kind of torn. But regardless, it's somewhat straight, kind of. What is up guys? Today I'm going to start the day off by loading up the Jeep because I'm going to the tire shop. And I know I just got some BFG KO2 tires, so I'm not buying new tires, I bought new wheels. So this wheel right here is called the Quadratec Hardrock wheel. So as you guys can tell, this is a Mopar style OEM wheel, but it has more back spacing, or less back spacing I should say. The distance from here to there, these have better offset, and hopefully I won't have to use my wheel spacers anymore, and I can just use the wheel, which is nicer for my wheel bearings and all that stuff. So this will be the actual final time you guys will see the Jeep with this wheel and tire setup. Of course I'm having the same tires, I'm not changing those, but the wheels I am definitely changing. These are the stock wheels. I plasti dipped them black like 2 or 3 years ago, maybe 2.5 years ago, and it's still held up. I mean, the part that's around the lips is just because of mounting more tires on, but other than that, they actually stayed quite clean. But yeah, there you go. Be the last time I'll look at this setup. It's quite upsetting, but like I said, for like plasti dip on this, it's lasted for quite a long time. Again, some more lip scratches, but it happens. And here we go. So yeah, here's some of the stats of the new wheel. Size 7 by 8.5, offset 10 mil, center bore 71.5 millimeter. And there you go. These are all made in 2019. So it is time to head to the tire shop, and the next time you're gonna see me, I'll probably be at the tire shop. Alright guys, that'll be the end of today's video, and if you guys like the wheels that I picked out, go ahead and give it a big like on the video. Otherwise, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next video. So, peace.